In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a worksheet with a filter action in Tableau. Let's get started by getting everything ready in Tableau Public. If you haven't opened it yet, now is the time. Go ahead and launch the Tableau Public app on your computer. Once you have it up and running, you'll need to access the worksheet that you want to work with. If you already have it saved, simply navigate to it and open it up. Now that you're in your worksheet, identify the specific sheet you'll be using in your dashboard. This part is straightforward. Just click on the sheet you intend to incorporate into your dashboard. After selecting the right sheet, it's time to craft a new dashboard where all the action is going to happen. Open up a new dashboard within the Tableau interface. You should now see a blank canvas in front of you where you'll start building your visualization masterpiece. With your dashboard open, it's time to drag your chosen sheets onto the dashboard canvas. Each sheet is like a piece of the puzzle that you're going to assemble. Just click and drag your selected sheets from the left pane onto the canvas, positioning them where you see fit. Next, look up to the top menu of Tableau and find the Dashboard menu option. Click on it and then choose Actions from the drop-down. This area allows you to define and manage the various interactions and behaviors for your dashboard components. When you're in the Actions menu, you'll want to add a new action. Click on Add Action and then select Filter. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to control the visibility of your worksheet based on user interactions. In the Action Setup dialog, you'll need to choose a source sheet, which is the sheet that will drive the interaction. Once selected, set the Run Action option to Select, meaning the action triggers when you select something in the source sheet. Following that, pick the target sheets. These are the sheets you want to hide. Crucially, select Exclude All Values. This setting ensures that when the action runs, it essentially hides the designated sheet by excluding every value based on your filter criteria. Once everything's entered correctly, go ahead and click OK. Just like that, you have successfully set up a filter action to hide one of the worksheets on the dashboard. To clean things up visually, you may also want to hide the titles of your sheets. Simply right-click on the title and choose Hide Title to keep your dashboard looking neat and professional. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively learned how to hide a worksheet using a filter action in Tableau. With practice, these actions will become second nature, enhancing your data visualization prowess in no time.